Okay, nice. So I've got my water here in the background. I'm very happy with how that came out. I've got Robert fully drawn and rendered. I got Kate fully drawn and rendered. Might smooth out those shadows in her arm a little more, but that's basically done too. Very pleased with how these two guys came out, how this guy and girl came out, rather, I should say. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of my leaf green here and draw some grass. Draw a bit of grass. I've got 2 layers of grass going horizontally. Now I'm going to draw a little grass going diagonally to create some grass sprouting up, just to add some texture and interest. In the course of the story, I know that a lot of these illustrations will only be glossed over, like glanced over basically. But even you can see something just for a split second, for a millisecond, and you kind of know the amount of work that's gone into it. That's why, even though this may seem a little excessive, it's actually something that I like to do. I like to develop things to their utmost capabilities, to the furthest way I can develop it is kind of where I like to go with it. It's a bit annoying. You're just sitting here drawing, Do a little more around here. Grass, grass, grass. Nice green grass. It's fall here in New England, and the grass, you know what that means for grass. Getting a little brown. The grass not quite yet. Leaves definitely changing, falling. It's late October now. Halloween's this week. A little grass growing horizontally kind of prevents the Tavern on the Green look, Whatever that means, that didn't make sense. The hole-in-one look,